Hello again, everybody. Thank you for joining into this video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a free email opt-in for people that subscribe to your email list on Mailchimp. Now, how does this work? Now, you may have noticed that there are bloggers or vloggers or anyone on social media who are giving away information in the form of a PDF or a course or some sort of information that you can download by giving them your email address. This is part of a larger strategy for them to obtain your email address in exchange that they give you this information. If you're ever wondering how am I receiving this email so quickly, are they automatically typing in my email address and replying to that email? How is it happening? Well, it's happening because there are tools that are created that can automate these types of processes. So when you go on to someone's website or read a blog post for someone and you see they are offering maybe like a 10-step guide on how to get abs for the summer, and you want that download, what they will probably say is enter your name and your email address in the link below and I will send you the PDF document. This is just an example, of course. And then you enter in your email address and click subscribe. And then you get an immediate response back into your email with a welcome email from them and the button that you can click on to download the document, the 10-step document to get abs for the summer. But this is a strategy on their part. So if you want to use this strategy as well for your business, you can. And this is a way that people use to build an email subscriber list. Offer something valuable to people for free in exchange for their email address. And with that email address, they can continue to market and promote their other products or services, etc., etc., etc. Now, it's not something that is done manually. There are actually tools out there, which I'm going to show you now, that you can actually set up and automate so that these emails are sent out regularly to people who subscribe to the list. So I'm going to show you how this works right now as we go into Mailchimp. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is click on audience. And when you get to your audience, you're going to want to make sure that you're in the right contact list or the right audience, and then click on view contacts. Now, what you do is you click on sign up forms. And this there's 4 types of sign up forms in Mailchimp. There's a form integrations, subscriber pop-ups, and embedded forms. But we're going to click on the form builder. Now this takes you to this page where you can then now customize your form that people will have to put in their information so that they will be able to get the free download that you have to offer them. So I'm just going to enter some text here onto this form. You can customize the colors, change it to whatever color you want. You can go to the body and add different fields and different sections to this form. And you can do that all through the top of the form right here. Now I want to also mention that there's a URL, there's a sign up form URL at the top of the screen that we're going to use to paste on any other social media or anywhere else so that people can find it and subscribe to the form and get your free email opt-in. Now, what we need to do now is create a new campaign. So you click on campaigns, and then what you're going to do is on the upper right hand corner of the screen, you're going to create a campaign. And you select email and select automation and also select welcome new subscribers. Here you'll have to enter the name of your campaign and the contact list or the audience list that you want these new subscribers to go to once they click on your link. Now on this page, you just enter in the details for your information, the from email address. You can enter it in there, your name and the email address, and then you can click save. I already have it there, so I'm not going to change it. You could enter the subject. I just have thanks for joining us. We'll think you'll like it here. And then you go to edit design, which edits the email that you're going to be sending to the people who sign up for your list. Now I'm just going to select a basic template here and just enter some random text just for the sake of this demonstration. This is where you would craft your email to make it look nice or welcome them for joining your list. I'm just going to say hello, thanks for joining, and your download is in the link below. Thanks again. Now what you do now is you save that section, then you add a button. Okay, I'm going to drop this button right here. I'm going to change that button to download now. Okay, now the link to drop down menu that's on the right, you change it to file. Then when you do that, you go to your input files that you have on Mailchimp. And I'm going to select the file that I have already created. Now, I created this document through Microsoft Word, and then when I saved it as a PDF. So I'm just going to select that file and bring it in here. Now, when people click on the download button, they will receive that file that I just uploaded to Mailchimp. And that's basically it. So you customize all this information, you click start sending, and rock on. You've now created your email automation for Mailchimp. That link that we saw on the sign up form, you can take that link and put it anywhere you want. You can put it on your social media profile at the bottom of every single one of your blog posts, on your YouTube videos. When people click on that link, it would lead them to the sign up form, which is what you see on my screen right now. And they enter their email address and their name, and then click subscribe. They'll be subscribed to your list, and they'll also receive a welcome email that you've prepared for them with the link to download the PDF free opt-in that you've created. And that's basically it. This is how you set up an email auto-responding campaign in Mailchimp so that people who subscribe to your list will get a free opt-in that you will create, and you'll get, in exchange for that free opt-in, you'll get their email address. Now, with all that being said, I want to remind you guys of my 1-month business challenge. I want to help you find, grow, and start your business. So I have a link in the description of this video to my own email automation auto-responding campaign that will send you my 1-month business challenge. But in this business challenge, I will show you how to find your business idea, show you how to attract an audience and start making money in as little as 30 days. And some people have said that they have made more than $500, but I guarantee you, if you follow the steps, you'll make at least $500 by the end of the month. And you won't have to put in hours and hours and hours a day. Put in at least 30 minutes a day and you'll get these types of results. So the link is in the description if you want to try it out. So you can click on it, enter your name and your email address, and you'll get the download for my 1-month business challenge. And I want to encourage you to do it because I really want to help people to start their own business and grow and turn it into something that can create multiple streams of revenue for you. So be blessed. I hope this video was encouraging and hope you learned something and make something great happen today.